Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can block website redirects in Chrome app on your Android. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also friends, put your likes definitely under the video and write your comments. So let us get started with you. And there are times that you may often get some sites popping up, or you may be redirected to some sites. First of all, it can be very annoying when you're using Chrome, or it can harm your device because it can often redirect you to some malicious sites. And I'm going to show you how you can disable this feature very easily. So friends, first of all, you will need to open Chrome on your Android device. And then on the top right, click on the three dots. And then select Settings. Swipe down and select Site Settings. In the Site Settings, also swipe down, and you'll be interested in this option, Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on it, and as you can see, by default this option is usually always enabled. And to disable this redirect, you will just need to click on this button. And as you can see, this will block website redirects as well as pop-ups from the Chrome app. In this very simple and quick way, you could see how you can block site redirects in Chrome on your Android. Friends, I hope this video has helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes. Be sure to write comments and subscribe to our channel. Take care.